If you're over 60 and want stronger legs without pain or pressure, stay with me, because most seniors quit right before these exercises start working. Hello, my dear seniors. Welcome to Senior Over 60 Fitness. Today is day 20 of our 100-day daily leg exercise series. If you're new here, don't worry. Just start with today and let's move together gently. Exercise 1. Seated leg extensions. Sit tall on a chair, feet flat, hands on thighs. Straighten one leg slowly and lower back down. This is 1 repetition. Breathe calmly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Most people feel warmth here. That means circulation is waking up. Keep going. 5, 6. This is where knee strength improves. Do not rush. 7, 8, 9. You are doing better than you think. Staying matters. 10, 11. Many seniors stop here, but progress continues. 12, 13, 14. Notice control, not speed, that protects joints. 15, 16. Skipping now only delays comfort. Later, stay with me. 17, 18. You can slow down or rest and still watch. 19, 20. How are legs feeling so far? Comment. 21, 22. Circulation improves when you finish sets. 23, 24. Almost there. Knees appreciate this. 25. Lower the leg, relax, and feel the lightness building today. Exercise 2. Sit to stand chair squats. Sit tall on your chair, feet flat and hip width apart. Lean slightly forward, press through your heels, and stand up slowly. Pause, then sit back down with control. Use the chair arms if needed. That is strength, not weakness. We begin now together. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is where confidence grows. 5, 6. Most people stop here. 7, 8. Breathe calmly. 9, 10. Independence is built rep by rep. 11, 12. Go slow if needed. 13, 14. This helps daily tasks. 15, 16. Stay with me. 17, 18. Strength supports balance. 19, 20. You are doing well. 21, 22. Almost there. 23, 24. Do not skip this. 25. How are your legs feeling now? This movement trains standing from chairs, beds, and toilets. Each repetition improves leg power, safety, and confidence, helping you stay independent longer. Exercise 3. Standing march with chair support. Stand tall behind a chair, hands resting lightly, eyes forward, breathe comfortably. Lift one knee, then alternate, moving smoothly and safely. 1, 2, 3, 4. This rhythm wakes hips gently. 5, 6. Most people slow here, keep easy pace. 7, 8, 9. Posture grows taller now. 10, 11. Coordination improves quietly. 12, 13. This supports steadier walking daily. 14, 15. You are doing well, continue softly. 16, 17. Balance feels clearer with patience. 18, 19. Skipping, this is why progress fades. 20, 21. Hips loosen with every lift. 22, 23. Stay relaxed, shoulders down. 24, 25. Pause, breathe, notice confidence rising. Hold the chair whenever needed, rest anytime, or watch and imagine movement. How are your hips and legs feeling right now? This exercise strengthens posture, coordination, and confidence for safer daily walking everywhere with gentle, consistent practice. Exercise 4, heel raises. Stand behind your chair and place both hands gently on the backrest for support. Lift your heels slowly, feel the calves working, then lower with control. This movement looks simple, yet it improves balance, ankle strength, and blood flow. Go at your own pace, breathing comfortably, resting anytime if needed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going, this is where circulation improves. 5, 6, 7, 8. Most people stop here, but staying brings steadier steps. 9, 10, 11, 12. You are training confidence for daily walking. 13, 14, 15, Notice warmth in the lower legs. 16, 17, 18. Progress happens in these calm moments. 19, 20, 21, 22. Gentle strength supports safer balance. 23, 24, 25, and relax. If your heels felt stiff or tired, that is normal. Comment how you feel. Skipping heel raises often means weaker ankles later, so thank yourself for finishing today. Exercise 5, toe raises. Let us begin our final exercise for today, seniors. Make sure you are either seated or standing with support nearby if needed. We are going to strengthen our lower legs and improve stability through gentle toe raises. Remember, every repetition counts, and completing all 25 will bring noticeable benefits over time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel your toes lifting and notice your stability improving. 5, 6, 7, 8. Each lift strengthens the muscles that keep you steady. 9, 10, 11, 12. This is where progress happens. 13, 14, 15, 16. Keep going. 17, 18, 19, 20. Feel the circulation and energy in your legs. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Excellent work, you have completed the full set. Toe raises are a simple yet effective exercise for seniors. By lifting your toes while keeping your heels grounded, you actively engage the muscles along the front of your lower legs. This improves balance, helps prevent falls, and enhances walking stability. You did beautifully today. Tell me in the comments, how do your legs feel right now? Please share this video with 5 to 7 senior friends so we can grow stronger together. I'll see you tomorrow for day 21.